Welcome to the video. Today we will learn how to make perfect grilled shrimp at home. Stay tuned as we share simple tips for delicious and juicy grilled shrimp. Picture a warm summer evening with the smell of charcoal in the air. You want a meal that feels fancy but takes almost no effort to prepare. Many people turn to steak or chicken, yet grilled shrimp is truly the best choice for a fast and healthy dinner. These tiny powerhouses of protein are incredibly versatile. You can toss them into zesty tacos, pile them onto a crisp Caesar salad, or eat them straight off the skewer. They cook in just a few minutes, which means you spend less time hovering over a hot grate and more time relaxing. Because they soak up flavors so well, you can change the entire vibe of the meal just by switching your seasoning. How to pick and prepare the best shrimp for the grill. Great results start at the seafood counter. You might feel tempted to buy the smallest, cheapest option, but size matters when fire is involved. Look for jumbo or large shrimp, usually labeled as 16/20 or 21/25 count. These numbers tell you how many shrimp make up a pound. Larger pieces are much easier to handle on the grill. They won't fall through the gaps in the metal grates, and they won't overcook in the blink of an eye. If you buy tiny shrimp, they often turn into rubber before you even have a chance to flip them. Frozen shrimp is actually a fantastic choice for most home cooks. Most fresh seafood at the grocery store was previously frozen and thawed anyway. Buying a frozen bag allows you to thaw only what you need. To do this safely, place the shrimp in a bowl of cold water for about 15 minutes. Avoid using warm water, as this can start to cook the edges and ruin the texture. Once they feel flexible, pat them very dry with paper towels. Water is the enemy of a good sear. If the shells are damp, the shrimp will steam instead of browning, and you will miss out on that smoky charred flavor. Should you peel the shrimp or leave the shells on? Deciding whether to peel your seafood before grilling depends on how you plan to serve it. Leaving the shells on provides a natural heat shield for the delicate meat inside. This method keeps the interior juicy and adds a deeper, briny flavor to the dish. However, it can be messy for your guests to peel hot, charred shells at the dinner table. If you are making a formal meal, it's usually better to peel them beforehand. Most people prefer the easy peel style where the back is split and the vein is removed, but the shell remains attached. This gives you the protection of the shell with much less work later. If you choose to peel them completely, make sure to leave the tails on. The tail acts as a built-in handle for dipping and makes the plate look much more professional. The secret to using wooden and metal skewers. Skewers are the best way to manage a dozen shrimp at once without losing any to the coals. If you use wooden or bamboo sticks, you must soak them in water for at least 30 minutes first. This prevents the wood from catching fire or snapping while you turn them. Many people struggle with shrimp spinning around on the stick when they try to flip the skewer. You can solve this problem by using 2 parallel skewers for each row of shrimp. This double skewer method locks them in place so they move as one solid unit. That is the end of part 1. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.